Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's start with a curve across. Then from both sides, let's bring it down towards the center. And then color it in black. Next, let's move on top and add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. And the same on the right. Now let's curve it out. Then bring it down and back in to form a rounded square shape. Next, let's hop inside and add the eyes. Let's start with a curve. And then a larger curve underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's add a circle inside each one. Now inside, let's add another smaller circle in the center. And then color both of these in black. And now let's add another smaller circle inside on the top left. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose and let's draw a line down in the center. And then hop back up, and from the sides, let's curve it out and down. And then two curves underneath to close it off. Now underneath, we'll step in and let's draw a small line down on both sides. And then a curve across. Next, let's move inside and add the teeth. At the bottom, let's draw a square shape up on the left, and then leave a gap, and let's do the same on the right. Then let's add another set on the sides. And then one more skinny one on both sides like this. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's finish drawing the bottom of the mouth. Let's move to the sides and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides of the mouth and let's draw a curve up and bring it in. Then from the top, let's angle it up. And then close off the top of the head with a curve across. Now top back down, and underneath the cheeks, let's draw another curve down and in. And the same on the right. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop on top and add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw two lines up. And the same thing on the right. Now on top of both sides, let's draw a rectangle shape. Now on top of the left side, let's draw two curves up. And then from the inside line, let's curve it down and out. Then from the top right, a small curve up, curve it out, and one more curve to connect it to the end. Now inside that bottom section, let's draw a curved border on both sides and a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the left ear. Now let's move over and draw the right side. For this one, let's draw 2 curves up. And a curve across the top. Then let's add another 2 curves coming to a point. And now let's hop in and let's draw the inside part. For the top section, let's draw 2 curves coming to a point again. And a curve across the bottom. And then inside the bottom section, let's draw curves on both sides. And then curves at the top and bottom, forming a curved rectangle. And that's it for the ears. Lastly, let's move down and draw the bow. Underneath the head in the center, let's draw a small rounded square. Now let's hop out to the sides and let's draw a small bump down, and the same on the right. And then let's draw a larger curve out and back in on both sides. And that's it for Bonnie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!